Hi, this video is going to be on metaphors and similes. Now these are both types of figures of speech that compare things. So we can see this with this simile here. My love is like a red, red rose. So the comparison here is brought by the like, and of course we have the likening to love to the red rose. And if we wanted to change this into a metaphor, we would take out this like, and we're left with my love is a red, red rose. Now the difference, well, the main difference between a simile and a metaphor is this. So a comparison in a simile is quite explicit because we have the use of like or as to compare the two things. And with a metaphor, it's more implicit. So, for example, we have phrases like you describe someone as a pig, and we know that this isn't a literal meaning, as in they're not actually a pig, but they're showing the qualities or the actions of a pig. So we can see how the comparison is implied in this respect compared to the actual written comparison of a simile. Thanks for listening.